Hello everyone, this is Howard at howardfromgeorgia.com, and today we have a product demonstration and review on Uber Video Graphics Editor. And this really takes the pain out of graphics work for me because I am not a graphics person. It's challenging for me to get anything designed without outsourcing it, and sometimes I just don't have enough lead time to send something out. But with this, I was going to say software, but it's really a service. You don't have to download anything. It's provided over the internet, and you can create, you can insert text or graphics or shapes and templates over this canvas area. And there's different backgrounds you can change out on the canvas, but none of this is part of your final graphics. The people that you see in the background are not going to be a part of the product that you download. So what would you do with these? Well, you can create custom shapes and other graphics. You can create lower third graphics. If you do Hangouts, this can put your name, your company's name, your logo on the bottom of the screen. You can insert instructions anywhere on the screen, but we'll see that in just a few moments. You can basically do just about anything here of a graphics nature. There's a little more examples of some of what you can do and the logos that they have here. And you can create your graphics really fast. You don't have to get into Photoshop. You don't need other software. This is really easy. If I can do this, this is something that anyone can do. Of course, there's a 30-day risk-free period where you can refund if you need to. They were offering a developer's license when this first opened. Last time I checked, this buy button still worked, but I'm not guaranteeing that goes for the developer's license for that price currently. So let's take a look inside the member area. And I'm going to go to the training area. And I've been through almost all of these 4 videos. I don't know that I went through this one, Overlay Image Using Wax Video Editor. I did go through the Creating Graphics and the Overlay Image in Google Hangouts and Images over Video in Camtasia, and I was really impressed with that. But as far as creating graphics, these videos are very well done. They are very thorough. They're easy to follow instructions, and I'm pretty critical when it comes to things like that because, as I said, graphics is not my strength. But let's go into the launch area and create a quick graphic. And I'm not going for pretty graphics. I'm just going for function to show how this can be done. So if I wanted to do a lower third for a future Hangout, I'll pick this. You see it popped up here. Well, I just drag this to the bottom of the screen. And keep in mind, the people, the background image, as well as this control bar, the YouTube control bar at the bottom, those are not part of the image that I create. This is just for reference. So I've got this graphic. Now let's create some text. And I'm going to click Add Text. And let's see, I can drag that down here. I know just enough about this right now to be dangerous, so bear with me. I can adjust the size. I can change the color if I'm lucky. Let's see up here. Then I could put my website URL here also. And of course, that's too big to fit down here. So no problem. We can make that fit. And if I wanted to, for me, get a little fancy, I could upload an image. I don't know that I've got it where I can retrieve it easily on this live event, but I could take a shape, and I could take this and drag that down here. It's too big, so I can resize that. And that could be representative of anything. Let's see. There we go. And let's say I want some color to that. And I could create another image by layering on top of this. Although I'm not really doing layers like you might think of in Photoshop. And I can, since this is highlighted, you see it's overhanging this. I can push this to the back, and now you can see it's behind the white font here. Or I can bring it back to the forward when it's blocking that from view. So I really don't want to keep that there. And it's highlighted, so I'll just delete that. So, I mean, that's really easy. And I can change this to any color. I can say whatever I want to here. There are templates also. And I have not gone through each and every template. I do know that there's a sign here that says "Be right back." And then you can go through here and change your name. So I like this because it is so easy. It is so user-friendly. It's fast. Did I say it's easy? That really impresses me. It saves me time. It saves me from having to outsource this. It saves me from having to struggle with Photoshop or even GIMP. I can do with this whatever I want to do. I can use these images just about wherever I want to, especially in Hangouts and especially in video if I'm using Camtasia, which I'm not the world's best at, but I can bring these images into Camtasia and put these throughout different parts or the entire part of the video. And there's a very thorough video tutorial that shows you how to do that. I did make sure of that. So I'm very satisfied with this. I don't know that there's anything that I really dislike about this product. I've been playing around with it, and that's what I've done. I've been playing around with it for most of the day here, and I wanted to get this video made so you could see what this is for yourself and make a decision if this is something that you want to try out. And if that's the case, then right below this video, there's a link to my website at howardfromgeorgia.com. And of course, as always, there are some special bonuses that go along with purchasing this product through my link, and I would appreciate it if you use my link if you decide to purchase this product, and email me your receipt. Just send an email with a copy of your PayPal receipt. Send that to howard@howardfromgeorgia.com, and I will get to you access to the bonuses. And whether you decide to invest in this or not, there's a form on my website that I would invite you just to drop your first name and your email address in and get on the notification list as things like this are released. I try to let the members on my list be aware of things as they're coming out as much time as I can ahead of time, maybe a week ahead or certainly a couple of days ahead, just so you don't miss the really good prices when this product is first being launched. I wanted to get this to you before the day got too much older, so I'm going to cut this this product review, this demo here, and get this published to YouTube. Stop by howardfromgeorgia.com, and I hope to see you there.